Hello there. If you are beginning your career in business analysis or looking to improve upon skills you already possess, here is one of the common topic which is important to know as a BA. In the video, we have explained the concept of feasibility study. Let's get started. As always, we will use a simple case study which will make the concepts easy to grasp. A large IT company based in New York was developing a mobile food ordering application for a popular restaurant Vegan Gardens owned by Jane, and Alex was assigned as the business analyst for the app development project. Let us use this simple case study to see how Alex contributes to the feasibility study. What is feasibility study? Feasibility study is a crucial process in business analysis and project management that assesses the practicality and viability of a proposed project or initiative. It involves evaluating various aspects to determine if the project is technically, economically, legally, and operationally feasible before committing resources to its development. By performing these different types of feasibility study, stakeholders can make well-informed decisions about the viability and potential success of a project before investing significant time, effort, and resources. It allows them to identify and address potential challenges and risks early on, increasing the chances of a successful outcome. What are the different types of feasibility study? There are different types of feasibility study. They are technical feasibility, economic feasibility, legal and regulatory feasibility, operational feasibility, schedule feasibility. Let us look at all these types of feasibility in detail in the upcoming slides. What is technical feasibility? This aspect evaluates whether the technology and infrastructure required for the app's development and operation are available or can be acquired within a reasonable time frame and budget. It involves considering factors such as app development platforms, programming languages, required APIs, database systems, and potential integration with third-party services. The technical team will assess whether they have the expertise to build the app or if they need to acquire additional skills. Some of the aspects which can be checked are: do we have the technical expertise to develop the project? Is the required technology available and accessible? Are there any technical risks or limitations that could hinder the project's success? In our case study, Alex, with the help of the technical team, determined that they had the necessary expertise in mobile app development on both iOS and Android platforms, and that there were robust and well-documented APIs available for integrating with various payment gateways and restaurant databases. What is economic feasibility? This study focuses on the project's financial viability. It involves estimating the total cost of the development, ongoing maintenance, marketing, and potential revenue streams. The team considers the projected return on investment (ROI) and whether the app is financially viable in the long run. In our example, Alex with the team and project manager and PO estimated the development cost, server hosting expenses, marketing budget, and ongoing maintenance costs. They also conducted market research to determine the potential customer base and projected revenue from the app. After evaluating the financial projections, they found that the app was economically feasible and had the potential for a positive ROI. Some of the aspects which can be checked are: what are the development and operational costs of the project? Can the project generate sufficient revenue to cover the costs and provide a profit? What is the projected payback period and return on investment? What is legal and regulatory feasibility? This aspect assesses whether the proposed project complies with the relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. It includes considerations related to data privacy, user content, terms of service, and any legal implications that might arise from offering the service. In our example, the team worked with the legal experts to ensure that the app's data collection and handling complied with the data protection laws. They also ensured that the terms of service and user agreements were clearly defined and enforced. Some of the aspects which can be checked are there any legal restrictions or regulations that could impact the project's implementation? Does the project comply with data privacy and security laws? Are there any licensing or copyright issues to consider? What is operational feasibility? Operational feasibility evaluates whether the organization has the resources, skills, and processes to support the app's operation after development. It considers factors such as customer support, server maintenance, scalability, and ongoing updates. In our example, the team assessed the operational readiness and identified the gaps in resources or processes. They plan to set up a dedicated customer support team and cloud infrastructure that could scale as the user base grew. Some of the aspects which can be checked are: do we have the necessary human resources to support the project after implementation? Is the existing infrastructure capable of handling the project's requirements? Are there any potential operational challenges or constraints? What is schedule feasibility? Schedule feasibility examines whether the project can be completed within the desired or required time frame. It considers the availability of resources, potential dependencies, and any time-sensitive factors that could affect the project's timeline. Some of the aspects which can be checked are: can the project be completed within the specific deadline? Are there any critical milestones or deadlines that must be met? Are there any potential delays or risks that could impact the project schedule?